So, I'm anticipatingly, you know what I mean, my delivery today. And by the title, you already know what it is. I'm getting the Camp Chef Flat Top 600 series grill coming in today. I did a lot of research between the Blackstone and the Camp Chef, and I decided that the Camp Chef is a lot better, has a lot more to offer than even what the Blackstone does. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, wait for the FedEx truck to get here. Anyhow, I'll be back whenever it gets delivered here. It's still waiting. Come on, FedEx, get here. In case you're wondering, Diet Mountain Dew. Alrighty, here we go. Let's get this puppy cut open and see what we got inside here. It's the Camp Chef 600 series. It's their four knob flat top griddle. And this plate right here, this helps to distribute the heat evenly underneath. Oh yeah, by the way, I paid for this out the nose. I'm just kidding, it was actually really affordable. And when I show you all the features of this thing, you're gonna wanna go out and get you one of these as well. Seriously, seriously. This is amazing. So let's get back. Now that's a grease box. I get 2 of them. Gonna follow and see what the instructions say. I don't know if Blackstone has that, but I know Camp Chef does. Check this out. You're probably wondering, why do you get grill grates with a griddle, flat top griddle? That's the point. You don't get this with Blackstone. You can either turn this into a flat top griddle, or you can take off the top part and you can use it as a grill. It does 2 things in one. That's why I got this. That's awesome. All right, so this is what this unit looks like. Okay, I love these knobs. These knobs are really, really good quality. And it has independent strikers. So right here, and if you're having a hard time trying to strike, all you do is just move this a little bit closer in. It'll catch that fire, but it's not battery operated like a Firestone, like a Blackstone. And then you also have a hole here to put a match through and light it if this ever fails to light. Now it's time to get this thing together. All right, so the first step is to pair up these screws with this washer right here. It says the only thing that you need to assemble this is a Phillips head screwdriver and a box wrench. I'm gonna admit something right now. I hate assembling stuff. If I could actually purchase this already assembled, I would do so. But I'm taking one for the team. Let's get back to it. Okay, so the first step I did, you don't need the washers for the ones that go on the side, okay? The ones that go on the side here, you don't need the washers. So let me show you what I'm looking at. This is the instructions. So you got this little bitty little pictures here, so you gotta try to, decipher what they're trying to talk about. So it's kind of like hieroglyphics. So I had to take those washers all out, and I had to put just the screws in. So now let's get the step number. Oh heck, I'm not even done with step number 1 yet. Okay, now these on top, this is what's gonna get the washer. So you got screw washer right here on the top. All right, got one over there too. Then on the bottom, it's going to be washer, then a little nut. And this is a size 10 metric. All right, so next is the bottom and lower shelves. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but basically, you just take 4 of these screws right here, The small ones right here, take them. 4 of those. And you just go inside. The top and bottom shelves are both different. Alright, I'm not going to tighten these down all the way because I still need to put the bottom shelf on. The bottom shelf has these 2 little notches right here. This is to hang up the propane tank on, the holder for the propane tank. We're going to go on to this one. Now comes time for the tank holder. Goes like this, upside down. And this camshaft also has 2 systems for draining the grease. One for when you're using the griddle, and one for when you're using the actual grill itself. I'm sweating pretty awful right now. So in the middle of trying to hurry up, I didn't notice which direction I had this bottom plate going. Well, the regulator for the propane tank is over on this side, so I just had to unscrew this, and I just swapped it back around and put this side lined up with the regulator down there. Just want to let you know that. Alright, so I just found my very first gripe with the camshaft instructions. Look right here, okay, it shows 2 washers. Okay, then you got the nut right there. Okay, you got the screw, washer, screw, and you got the washer, then you got the nut. Okay, screw, washer, nut, screw, washer, nut, okay. And then come over here to this application. Now I need the flat washer and a bolt. Well, I only had enough washers to do this, so I had no more washers. So either the instructions are wrong, or they did not send me enough freaking washers. So now I'm having to go up underneath here. I'm having to take out 4 of these washers and put the bolt back up there, put the screw. So I have enough washers to put this plate on the back right here. Alright, I think that's it. Now it's time to put the wheels on. So the wheels come with this this cap right here. You gotta go up underneath here with a screwdriver and just poke that out. And remember which side that you had it on. So now you gotta come here with the bolt, go through here, and now we're gonna install. Doesn't say how tight to do it, but I don't want to do it too tight where it doesn't roll no more. Then you just put the cap right back on. We'll do the same thing over to the other side. Camshaft did not send me enough washers. I needed 12 for the first application, and I need 4 more now, so I was short 4 washers. I've looked all over for these washers. I might find them laying around somewhere, but as far as I know, there is no washers whatsoever to be found. So I'm having to short on some stuff. But I'm sure if I call Camshaft, they'll have no problem giving me some more washers. Alright, so you got the gist of this. I'm going to go ahead and finish this and I'll be back. Alright, so next I'm getting these brackets on here. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I got 2 more. Got 2 more of these to go on the other side. Alright, now it's time to put shelves on. Alright, so there we go, shelf. Then these, right here, we're going to go on the ends. Right here, they screw onto the ends, like that. Then the coolest thing about this, watch this. Grease tray, grease catch right here. Then this grease catch goes up underneath to catch the grease right up underneath here. There's a couple little hooks up underneath there, and this just hooks into the little hooks right here. Makes it real easy. I forgot that we have these heat diffuser plates right here. Alright, so there you have it. The assembly was actually pretty easy of the Camshaft FTG600 flat top and griddle. If I would have had the other 4 washers, it probably would have made things a little bit easier because I would have had to backtrack and try to take other things off. But the assembly actually was pretty self-explanatory. I'm just kind of a knucklehead sometimes and don't like to follow instructions, but if the instructions actually were any good, like had bigger pictures, I'd probably be able to see a little bit better. But I am a Camp Chef affiliate. If y'all want to go check these things out, I highly recommend these. These are like super cool. I've seen a lot of reviews on these, and I've been wanting one of these for a very, very, very long time, and I'm very familiar with cooking on one of these flat top griddles because I've worked in a lot of restaurants and I've cooked on a lot of these. Especially I managed an American grill restaurant, and that's the main thing that we cooked on was one of those, and also a charbroiler, and this is both. So anyhow, like, subscribe, check out my Camp Chef affiliate page. I'll link it down below. Y'all have a good one. Ciao.